Hey everyone, just wanted to show you this new robotic pool cleaner I've been using. It's called the new Aiper Scuba X1 Pro Max, and honestly, it's amazing. It's cordless, super powerful, and does almost all the pool cleaning for me. I've got a medium pool here, but this thing works like I'm on vacation. Let me show you how it works. So first off, setup is super easy. No cords, no confusing setup. You just charge it, drop it in the pool, and it gets to work. It's fully cordless, so no tangled wires hanging around the pool, making the whole thing safer, easier, and cleaner. Right now, I've added a whole bunch of leaves into the water to show you how strong this thing is. You can see it already moving around and grabbing debris. This thing has 8,500 gallons of suction per hour. That's more than any other cleaner I've ever used. And inside, there's micro mesh ultrafine filter, so it doesn't just grab big leaves, it also catches fine dirt, sand, and even tiny particles. It's wild how much this thing actually pulls out. The X1 Pro Max cleans everything: the pool floor, the walls, the waterline, even the surface. And if your pool has curves, platforms, and slopes, no problem. It's got smart sensors that detect all that and adjust automatically. Right here, mine has a little slope, and it just handles it without getting stuck. Cleaning by hand used to take me an hour, at least an hour or more a week. Now I just let this thing run and boom, done. Also, just as a test, I dropped a small rock in here, and it didn't just suck it up, it just worked around it. Pretty smart. If you're still cleaning by hand or using a cheaper robot, you probably know the struggle. Skimmer, vacuum, brushes, all that. With this, it's one robot that does it all. No switching tools, no stress. Other robots I've tried miss spots or don't clean the waterline. This one has 40 built-in sensors and maps the whole pool with using a quad-core chip. It even has a skim mode for cleaning just the surface. So no more floating leaves sitting there all day long. Battery life? Up to 10 hours, especially in surface cleaning mode. That means it can run all day without needing a recharge. And again, it's 100% cordless, so it's safer, tighter, and honestly, it just looks better. The Aiper Scuba X1 Pro Max has 4 modes. It has a skimming mode, floor and wall, floor only mode, and a hero mode. And then you have the cleaning intensity indicator, Eco, Auto, or Max. So it has the option to add these extra filter cartridges as well. These are the ultra thick, ultra fine filter cartridge, or you could just have the normal filter cartridge, which is still a fine thin layer, but these ones are cotton and ultra thick. If you want to go even further, there's an optional upgrade called HydroCom Pro. It checks your water quality, things like pH, chlorine, temperature, all that from your phone. You can even call the robot back to you with one tap. It's like having a pool expert in your pocket. So yeah, this is the Aiper Scuba X1 Pro Max. It's smart, it's powerful, and it's taken all the stress out of pool maintenance for me. Okay, so now this is another one of my favorite parts. It's so easy. This pops open, this pops out, and boom, check that out. You have all that fine sand, dirt, leaves, grass, all those unwanted particles in your pool, and this collects it for you very easily. All you do is hose it out and it's ready to go again. Very easy. No more weekly cleaning, no more hiring someone. Just charge it, drop it in, and enjoy your pool. I'll drop a link below if you want to check it out. Thanks for watching. And I'll let the Aiper finish up while I'll go relax.